When you're thinking about purchasing a web hosting control panel, Plesk stands out as one of the top choices. But before you make a decision, there are 7 crucial things you should know. In this video, we're diving deep into the aspects of Plesk, comparing it to its competitors, and giving you the insights you need to make an informed choice. Stay tuned, because we've got some tips that could save you time and money. First off, Plesk is all about simplifying web hosting management, making it ideal for developers, small businesses, and larger hosting providers alike. But unlike cPanel, which is another major competitor in the control panel market, Plesk offers a more streamlined, unified interface that handles everything from hosting management to security. Whether you're setting up a basic website or managing multiple servers, Plesk's versatility is a huge advantage. And if you're looking for something that's both simple and powerful, Plesk gives you that without the overwhelming complexity you might find in other control panels. Next thing to know, Plesk's support for multiple operating systems. Unlike cPanel, which is Linux only, Plesk works across both Linux and Windows platforms. This is a significant benefit if you need flexibility in managing servers with different operating systems. It gives you a lot more options, especially if you're running diverse infrastructure or developing websites that need compatibility across various platforms. This cross-platform support is particularly appealing if you're managing a multi-server environment or if your projects require a mix of Windows and Linux hosting. The third thing is its extensions marketplace. Plesk offers an extensive library of extensions, making it easy to add extra features to your setup. From security tools to content management systems like WordPress, Plesk gives you the flexibility to enhance your hosting experience. This is something that stands out when compared to cPanel, which, while highly customizable, doesn't have the same breadth of integrated extensions as Plesk. If you want to quickly add functionality like SEO tools, email marketing, or enhanced security options, Plesk Marketplace makes it a breeze. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing model. While Plesk is feature-rich, its pricing is competitive, especially if you're looking for a scalable solution. It can be more cost-effective for agencies and freelancers because Plesk allows you to purchase just the tools you need without paying for unnecessary extras. When compared to other control panels, Plesk often offers more value for the money, particularly when considering the functionality it provides. Plus, they offer a free trial so you can test it out before making a full commitment. If you're considering Plesk, it's definitely worth trying it risk-free. Next up, Plesk security features. Security is a top priority for web hosting, and Plesk doesn't disappoint. With tools like fail2ban, SSL certificates, and automatic updates, Plesk has robust security features built right in. It's comparable to other platforms like cPanel, but what really stands out is how Plesk makes security manageable for users of all experience levels. You don't have to be a security expert to use the built-in features effectively, which makes it an excellent choice for those new to web hosting or anyone who values peace of mind. The sixth point is the automation options. Plesk allows for easy automation of tasks like backups, updates, and even user management. If you're managing multiple sites or hosting for clients, this feature will save you a lot of time. The ability to set automatic tasks and updates means you won't have to manually intervene constantly, which can be a real time saver, especially when compared to other software options that might require more manual oversight. The seventh and final thing you need to know is Plesk's performance. Whether you're hosting a simple blog or a complex e-commerce site, Plesk is designed for speed. Its lightweight architecture ensures that even when managing multiple websites, your performance won't take a hit. This makes it a great option if you're managing high-traffic sites or running applications that require optimal speed and uptime. When it comes to performance, Plesk stacks up well against its competitors like cPanel and DirectAdmin, offering fast load times without the resource strain. So if you're ready to get started with Plesk, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below to try out the best free trial and get exclusive benefits. Plesk offers powerful features, easy integration, and a smooth user experience, making it one of the best choices for anyone looking to manage websites effectively. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test it out for yourself and see how it compares to other control panels on the market. Click the link below to grab your free trial and start optimizing your web hosting management with Plesk today.